my favorite minor arpeggios. It's fancy, a lot of fancy words in this little module. It's a minor arpeggio. I was playing it over E minor. So I'm going to teach it to you, but always keep in mind, anything, minor, you've always got that minor pentatonic there. So I'm going to teach you this arpeggio thing, but then we definitely want to look at where the blues scale is underneath. So here we go. It starts with a lead-in tone, a passing tone, which is a half step below the root. So with our ring finger, we're going to go on the 6th fret and then pinky on the 7th fret. Then we go 4, 5 on the D string. So you've got, and this might sound familiar, or whatever, But we're going to use it in a much funkier way. But that was a cool theme. So we've got 6, 7 on the A, 4, 5 on the D, 4 on the G. So we're only playing one note on the G, the 4th fret. Then we go over to the 5th on the B, which is the root. So you also want to see it backwards. Then, pinky on the 7, slid up to the 8. Now I kind of pretend I'm back just in the straight blues scale for a second here, and I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 6, 5 on the high E. So, I'm going to go back down that arpeggio. So that's 8, 7 slide, 5 with the middle finger, 4 with the index, 5, 4 on the D to the root. Look at the blues scale right here on that root. Alright, here comes an E minor jam track for you. you.